From raw material to refined finish, every ALLWIN pull handle reflects precision and craftsmanship. Each piece begins with high-grade stainless steel, carefully cut and formed to shape. Welding and polishing follow, ensuring a smooth and seamless surface. Skilled workers then assemble the components and apply the chosen finish. Strict quality checks are carried out at every stage to ensure durability and visual consistency. It's this attention to detail that makes each ALLWIN pull handle something you can rely on.